Available in several dimensions, the U.S. patented Brute full-lid crossover box features solid one-piece diamond tread aluminum construction and an attractive finish coat of textured black powder. Its chiseled styling perfectly complements HDX bumpers. The die-stamped steel step areas offer maximum traction and are removable for easy cleaning. The crossover box mounts tightly to the rocker panel for better fit and a rugged look. It measures 71 inches in length and is 21 inches wide and 18 inches high. The beveled lid has a full rubber weather seal. The hinge and prop mounting points are strong and the struts are reinforced. A mounting kit is included with purchase.